Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that can really empower your financial life: managing multiple credit cards responsibly. Whether you're using different cards for rewards, everyday purchases, or emergencies, having multiple cards can be a powerful tool if you know how to handle them wisely. In this video, I'll break down practical strategies, proven tips, and common pitfalls so you can keep your credit in top shape while maximizing the benefits of each card. Let's jump right in. Managing multiple credit cards can offer amazing benefits. Rewards and perks: earn cash back, travel points, or discounts. Flexibility: use different cards for specific categories: groceries, gas, or online shopping. Credit utilization management: more available credit means lower utilization if managed well. But there are risks, too. Overspending, juggling many cards can tempt you to spend more than you should. Late payments: missing a due date on any card can hurt your credit score. Commodity: it's easy to lose track of balances and due dates. Today, I'll show you how to harness the benefits while avoiding the pitfalls. The first step in managing multiple cards is to have a rock-solid budget. Here's what you need to do. List your income and expenses. Track every dollar that comes in and goes out. Set spending limits. Allocate specific amounts for categories like groceries, dining, and entertainment. Use budgeting tools. Apps like Mint, You Need a Budget, YNAB, or even a custom spreadsheet can help you monitor your spending in real time. Review regularly. Adjust your budget monthly to reflect changes in your income or spending habits. A detailed budget not only helps you avoid overspending, but also ensures you can pay off each card on time. With multiple credit cards, organization is key. Here's how to keep track. Centralize your information. Use a personal finance app that aggregates your accounts, or create a master spreadsheet that lists each card's due date, balance, credit limit, and interest rate. Set up automatic payments. Whenever possible, schedule auto payments to avoid missing a due date. Calendar reminders: mark each card's payment due date on your calendar or phone. Regularly check statements. Review your monthly statements to catch errors or unusual charges early. Monitor your credit score. Tools like Credit Karma or Experience Free Service can help you see the overall impact of your credit management. Being organized will help you avoid late fees, maintain low utilization, and keep your credit score healthy. Not all credit cards are created equal. Use them strategically. Rewards cards: use these for regular purchases to maximize points or cash back. Low interest cards: for larger purchases or balance transfers, use cards with low interest rates. Emergency card: keep a card reserved for unexpected expenses. Category-specific cards: some cards offer extra rewards for dining, travel, or groceries. Use them in the right category. By assigning each card a clear purpose, you not only maximize rewards, but also prevent confusion and overspending. Credit utilization: the ratio of your credit card balances to your limits, is one of the most important factors in your credit score. To keep it low, aim for under 30%. Try to use less than 30% of each card's credit limit. Spread out your spending. If you have multiple cards, distribute your purchases to avoid maxing out any single card. Pay balances in full. Whenever possible, pay off your cards every month to reset your utilization. Request limit increases. As we discussed in another video, a higher credit limit can lower your utilization if your spending remains the same. Maintaining low utilization is a simple yet powerful way to boost your credit score and keep your debt manageable. Paying only the minimum can trap you in a cycle of debt due to accumulating interest. Here's why paying more matters. Faster principal reduction: paying extra reduces your balance quicker, which means less interest accrues over time. Improved credit score: lower balances and reduced debt help boost your score. Savings: the more you pay off early, the more you save on interest charges. Even a small additional amount each month can make a significant difference over time. Here are some additional best practices. Review your statements. Regularly check for errors or unauthorized charges. Use alerts. Set up notifications for large transactions or when you approach your spending limit. Educate yourself. Keep learning about personal finance and credit management. Apply for too many cards. Multiple hard inquiries in a short period can lower your score. Neglect your payments. A missed payment on any card can hurt your credit. Accumulate unnecessary debt. A higher credit limit should be a tool, not a reason to overspend. These extra steps help you maintain a balanced approach and protect your financial health. Let me share an example. Meet Alex. Before, Alex had 4 credit cards with varying limits and was struggling to keep track of due dates. His credit utilization was high, and he occasionally missed payments. After, Alex started using a budgeting app to track all his expenses, set up auto pay for all his cards, and assigned each card a specific purpose, one for everyday purchases, one for travel rewards, and another for emergencies. Within a year, his utilization dropped significantly, his on-time payment record improved, and his credit score went up noticeably. Alex's story shows that with a little planning and organization, managing multiple credit cards can actually work to your advantage. Let's recap the key points. Budgeting. Create a detailed, realistic budget to track all your spending. Organization. Use tools and set reminders to keep track of payment due dates and balances. Strategic use. Designate each card for specific spending to maximize rewards and minimize confusion. Credit utilization. Keep your balances low by aiming for a utilization below 30%. Over minimum payments. Always pay more than the minimum to reduce debt faster and save on interest. By implementing these strategies, you can enjoy the benefits of multiple credit cards while keeping your credit score healthy and your debt under control. Thank you so much for watching this in-depth guide on how to manage multiple credit cards responsibly. I hope these tips and real-life examples have given you the tools to take control of your credit and make smarter financial decisions. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from these insights. I'd love to hear your own tips or questions in the comments below. Let's build a community of informed, responsible credit users. Remember, managing multiple credit cards is all about planning, discipline, and continuous learning. Until next time, take care, stay organized, and keep working toward your financial goals.